There's just something captivating about Victoria Beckham's style. It's always completely on point. Her style focuses on simplicity, a foundation of well-chosen, timeless pieces that work together and never go out of style. These 11 must-have wardrobe staples are signature pieces from Victoria Beckham's style, the kind that elevate every woman's wardrobe and make dressing feel effortless. If you've ever wanted to bring a little of that quiet confidence into your own style, this is where it starts. When it comes to wardrobe essentials, the suit is definitely Victoria's favorite. Timeless suits for effortless style. Victoria's favorite wardrobe staple is undoubtedly the suit, a perfect blend of power and elegance. She loves tailored styles that emphasize clean lines and sharp tailoring, often choosing classic colors like black, navy, and charcoal gray for a timeless appeal. She also opts for softer neutrals such as white, beige, and cream, which add a modern, feminine touch to the traditionally masculine silhouette. When it comes to fabrics, she prefers luxurious, structured materials like wool, crepe, and high-quality blends that hold their shape beautifully while still being comfortable. She always goes for sharply tailored blazers, paired with straight-leg trousers to sleek, minimalist designs with subtle detailing like a nipped-in waist or wide-leg pants. Each piece designed to create a confident, polished look that's effortlessly chic. The statement dress. Victoria favors dresses in a refined, understated color palette that complements her sophisticated aesthetic, often choosing classic neutrals like black, ivory, beige, and navy to highlight clean lines and tailored cuts. These tones pair effortlessly with her favorite silhouettes: structured midi dresses, sleek sheath styles, belted shirt dresses, and elegant high-neck designs. She also favors bright, uplifting colors like vibrant red, electric blue, and sunny yellow, which bring a fresh, modern energy to her wardrobe. These colors often appear in slip dresses, asymmetric cuts, and ribbed knit styles. Her designs frequently incorporate high-quality fabrics like silk, crepe, viscose blends, and structured knits, materials that drape beautifully and enhance the refined construction of each piece. For Victoria, it's not just about the color or the cut. It's about how the two work together with the fabric to create a look that feels timeless, confident, and effortlessly chic. Let's continue with what I like to call your go-to confidence jacket: the tailored blazer. A structured blazer is a staple in Victoria's wardrobe, and for a good reason. It brings a subtle, refined finish to nearly any outfit, whether it's casual jeans and flats or a silk midi dress paired with heels. What makes her blazers stand out is the balance of soft shoulders, a nipped-in waist, and clean lines that flatter any silhouette, just sharp enough to make you look composed while still feeling effortless. Think neutral tones: ivory, black, camel, or navy. These shades are endlessly mixable and move seamlessly through the seasons. Picture a camel blazer over ivory trousers with nude pumps, a look that's refined, understated, and effortlessly chic. Try to pair it with a sleek midi dress or structured skirt for a polished, meeting-ready look, or throw it over a simple tee on the weekend. Either way, the right tailored blazer effortlessly pulls everything together. Another important piece is the high-waisted trousers. Once you've found the right blazer, the next piece is an easy choice. Victoria pairs hers with high-waisted trousers that define the waist and elongate the legs. She wears them all the time, and once you find your perfect pair, you'll understand why. They instantly elongate your legs, define your waist, and create a polished, effortless silhouette. The key is the fabric. You want something that holds its shape but still feels soft. Think crepe, wool blends, or a quality twill. These materials drape beautifully and won't cling in the wrong places. A wide leg cut is perfect if you want fluid movement, while a more tailored style offers a sleeker, more structured silhouette. Either way, they're incredibly easy to dress up or down. Just tuck in a blouse or a lightweight knit, add a belt, and you're good to go. They do most of the styling work for you, and that's exactly what makes them a wardrobe staple. The classic crisp white shirt. If there's one item every elegant woman should own, it's a perfectly tailored white shirt. It might sound simple, but in Victoria's world, it's anything but basic. They're sleek, precise, and relaxed just enough to appear effortlessly stylish. The perfect fit flows smoothly over the body, allowing for comfortable movement. Look for a structured collar, a sharp cuff, and fabric that holds its shape like cotton poplin or a cotton silk blend are both excellent choices. This one piece goes with everything. Wear it tucked into tailored pants, open over denim, or under a soft blazer. On cooler days, layer a neutral cashmere knit over your shoulders like Victoria, offering warmth without bulk. And her go-to secret? Unbutton the collar or let the cuffs peek out. Just enough detail to feel styled without feeling overdone. The midi skirt. She favors tailored A-line styles, often in fabrics such as crepe or soft wool. They aren't tight or overly flowy. They maintain their shape while still allowing for natural movement. What makes these skirts so versatile is their shape. A clean high waist, mid-calf hem, and just enough flare to feel elegant. Go for timeless shades like navy, camel, or black and pair them with tucked-in knits or crisp shirts. If it's cold, just add boots to finish the look. In summer, go for light pastel tones. It's the kind of piece that takes no effort. You throw it on, add a great top, and the whole look just works together. The silk camisole. With wide straps may look simple, but in Victoria's style, it's all about quiet elegance. She often wears it under a blazer, letting it peek through and giving off a special feel. The key is choosing the right style. Lean toward matte finishes in shades like ivory, muted gold, or soft shades. Look for silk charmeuse or washed silk that has a bit of weight so it drapes nicely but still holds its shape. It's the kind of wardrobe staple you don't notice until you realize you're reaching for it all the time. When everything else feels too structured or too casual, this piece is the perfect balance. Easy, comfortable, and effortlessly stylish. If you enjoy content like this, be sure to subscribe for more insights on elegance, confidence, and timeless style. This is an accessory that Victoria never overlooks: the handbag. For her, a handbag is part of the whole outfit, something that quietly holds everything together. She always goes for bags that keep their shape, nothing slouchy or oversized. She's usually seen with smaller structured bags like mini totes, top handle satchels, or those rectangular crossbodies. The colors are always muted but elegant: bone, taupe, plum, or forest green. Somehow, a structured bag holds more than just your essentials. It holds presence. Even if you're wearing jeans and a tee, the right bag can make you feel sharper, straighter, more in control. There's something about a structured bag. It naturally lifts your posture and elevates your entire presence. The straight leg denim. When she wears denim, it's always styled to perfection. Over the years, one of her signature favorites has been the high-rise and dark wash straight leg jean. No matter where she wears them, they always look effortlessly chic. And the fit, it's everything. Just classic denim done perfectly. A clean, slim cut that hits right at the ankle so her shoes can shine. Just simple, classic denim done right. She wears them with something equally refined like a tucked-in button-down, a soft cashmere sweater, and suede pumps. The wash is always deep and rich, either a dark indigo or almost black, adding to the overall polished effect. The fabric is a non-stretched, mid-weight denim that holds its shape all day long. These are the jeans you keep coming back to. Whether you're headed to dinner, a meeting, or just running errands, they work every single time. The classic pointed toe pumps. You've had those moments when flats feel a bit too casual, yet high heels feel over the top, right? Victoria's answer? The pointed toe pump is one of her signature finishing touches. It's part of her daily wardrobe and a piece she wears regularly, whether she's making a public appearance or just out and about. It's all about the details. The front of the shoe dips low, called a low vamp, which helps create the appearance of longer legs. The pointed toe is sharp, but not over the top, and the heel, usually around 2 to 3 inches, is just the right height to feel elegant without being uncomfortable. She tends to favor muted tones, black, nude, and even maroon. You'll see her wearing these pumps with suiting, midi skirts, even denim. This is that one pair you pack for a business trip, a formal dinner, or an unplanned photo op, and it's always in style. The elegant long coat is also a top favorite. The moment you wear this statement piece, it sets a whole new tone. She likes styles that wrap or tie at the waist with clean, sculpted shoulders and a classic collar. But it's not just about the design details, it's about how it feels when you wear it. It falls perfectly, carries weight, and moves effortlessly. The length should fall just above the ground, creating that long, uninterrupted line that makes you look taller, leaner, and more dressed up. She goes for natural, neutral tones, nothing too trendy, just colors like gray, black, and beige that feels elegant and timeless. These fabrics tend to hold their shape without appearing stiff. Soft wool, a wool cashmere blend, or gently textured materials that feel smooth to the touch. Invest in this piece once. It's practical and perfect for every fall and winter. Great style isn't about complexity. It's about having a few go-to pieces that makes you feel effortlessly put together. These 11 wardrobe staples, they're not just what Victoria Beckham wears. They're what work every time for every woman. Once you find your own versions, styling outfits becomes effortless. Enjoyed these ideas and tips? Subscribe for more classic and elegant style advice. So which one of these pieces is a must-have in your wardrobe? Until next time, choose your outfits thoughtfully and wear what truly represents your authentic self, because genuine style is timeless.